friends, welcome to a car. Now I'm going to show you the features of this Maserati steering wheel. When starting the engine, you will see the LED shift lights illuminate on the steering wheel. They activate based on your RPM. There are two knobs below. If you press this one, it will switch the vehicle information. On the right is a rotating button to display vehicle information. The buttons on the left include functions for answering high-up calls, adjusting volume, voice commands, settings, and confirmation. On the right, there are previous check, next check, and mode toggle. Adjust volume. Use the voice function. Switch songs. Switch modes and switch mute. Finally, focus on the LED shift lights. When you accelerate, they will enter a strobe effect.